Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Slate. Today we are going to be doing the white belt with the Crazy 13. I have a couple people here. We have Rick being a spectator. We have Jeff in his Indian Scout Rogue. We have Robin as 1100 Rebel. We have Joni and her 1100 Rebel T, and then Joni's friend, I can't remember his name to be dead honest, so my bad, I'm sorry. So I'm going to go through the course one more time. It's just a white belt. It's actually pretty easy to do. I didn't want to go too crazy on it just because there's a few of them that are kind of new to this. We're just going to show you basically the basics of it. Alright, so we're going to start it up. Go through the circle. And now the Crazy 13. Ah! So that's the course, even though I did hit a cone. Anybody else want to do that one more time or what?
Oh, wow.
I mean, I've never seen somebody bedazzle their jacket before. It's very cute. It's adorable.
Hey man, it took me 5 days to make these.
You made them?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you bought them at like some girl store, like Ardennes or something. I mean, it's beautiful. Hey, take your time, eh? You just...
Take longer if you want.
Well, you're hoping that the camera dies, I'm assuming, so you don't get it, or what's going on?
I don't know.
Woo! He's so pretty. Alright, let's see how he does. Rob, round, what is it, the second or third time he's done this? Again, this is white belt, so this is like the easy stuff. Maybe next time I'll get them to do blue belt or something like that. So this one's actually pretty nice. You're just basically skipping one parking spot and then just going on to the next one. Again, you would eventually go to being less, so not skipping. That would be blue. Now we're doing the 40-foot circle. 40-foot circle, we're doing 3 turns each side. Those bars must be friggin' just so fun with this. We'll count that as 3. Alright, now we're going to end up doing the emergency braking. The offset weave. And now the Crazy 13. Let's do this. This is by far my favorite, so. Alright, ready? It's killing it, man. Time. There you go. There you go. Jeff's at least friggin' having some fun. That Rogue is actually a really nice looking bike. Emergency braking. And he just hit somebody. Alright? Whoever he tried to stop in front of just died. Let's see how good this goes. Crazy 13. And of course MotoJitsu would be losing his mind going, "You're going too slow." And time. Anyway, so I think we're gonna be closing it up pretty soon. Yeah, it was just a fun-filled day of doing MotoJitsu's course. Again, I highly recommend anybody to go pick up his program. The app is actually key. That's what I have. I bought the book first, but then I bought the app. It's a lot nicer and easier to just have on your phone. Anyways, if you do like this channel, if you like this content, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Until next time, guys.